Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining, often referred to as the modern-day gold rush. But instead of panning for gold in rivers, we're using high-tech equipment to mine digital gold. Did you know that a single Bitcoin transaction generates enough energy to power the average US household for almost 2 months? That's right, the energy consumption is staggering, but so are the potential rewards. It's true. That energy consumption translates to serious profit potential for miners like you and me. Imagine rows upon rows of powerful computers, all working tirelessly to solve complex mathematical problems. Each solution brings a reward in the form of Bitcoin, a digital currency that's taken the world by storm. We're talking about tapping into a global network, solving complex equations, and earning digital gold. This isn't just a hobby, it's a full-fledged industry with opportunities for anyone willing to invest the time and resources. It's like the California gold rush, but instead of picks and shovels, we've got GPUs and ASICs. Intrigued? You should be. The parallels are striking. Both involve a rush to acquire valuable resources, and both have the potential to make fortunes for those who get in early. Crypto mining might seem complicated, but trust me, it's not rocket surgery. With the right guidance, anyone can get started. We'll break down the process step by step, making it easy to understand even if you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to start your crypto mining journey, from picking the right hardware to setting up your mining rig, and even tips on maximizing your profits. We'll also discuss the risks involved and how to mitigate them. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Whether you're looking to make a side income or become a full-time miner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of digital gold. Think of building a crypto mining rig like assembling the ultimate gaming PC. It's a thrilling process that combines the excitement of gaming with the potential for financial gain. We're talking top-of-the-line graphics cards, powerful processors, and efficient cooling systems. These components are the backbone of any successful mining operation, ensuring that your rig runs smoothly and efficiently. But instead of slaying dragons in a virtual world, you're solving cryptographic puzzles to earn real-world rewards. These puzzles are complex mathematical problems that require significant computational power to solve, and that's where your high-end components come into play. Now, I know what you're thinking. Linus, this sounds expensive, and you're not wrong. The initial cost can be daunting, especially when you see the price tags on some of these components. Building a competitive mining rig requires an upfront investment. You'll need to shell out for the best hardware to ensure your rig can handle the demands of mining. But don't let that scare you off. But remember, this isn't just a hobby, it's a potential income stream. With the right setup, you can earn a steady stream of cryptocurrency, which can be converted into real money. The excitement of seeing your earnings grow can be incredibly rewarding. Just like any business venture, you need the right tools and knowledge to succeed. This means not only having the best hardware but also understanding the intricacies of cryptocurrency mining. It's a field that requires continuous learning and adaptation. In the following sections, we'll equip you with the knowledge to avoid common pitfalls and build a mining rig that will have you shouting, "Yeet!" all the way to the bank. We'll cover everything from selecting the right components to optimizing your setup for maximum efficiency. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of crypto mining. Even the most experienced climbers can stumble without proper preparation. The same goes for crypto mining. One wrong move can cost you time, money, and even your sanity. One common mistake is jumping in headfirst without understanding the basics. Don't be that person. Take the time to research different cryptocurrencies, mining algorithms, and hardware requirements. Another rookie error is neglecting electricity costs. Mining can be energy intensive, so factor in your local electricity rates before you start mining. You don't want to end up with a hefty electricity bill and a light wallet. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the potential pitfalls, you can avoid costly mistakes and set yourself up for success. Let's talk hardware. Your mining rig is like a sports team, and each component plays a crucial role in its overall performance. The star player, your graphics card, or GPU. These bad boys are designed to handle complex calculations, making them perfect for mining. Look for GPUs with high hash rates and energy efficiency. Next up, the processor or CPU. While not as critical as the GPU, a decent CPU keeps everything running smoothly. Think of it as your team's coach, coordinating all the action. Don't forget about RAM, storage, and a reliable power supply. These components work together to ensure your mining rig operates at peak performance. Section 5. The brains behind the operation. Choosing the right software. Choosing the right mining software is kinda like selecting the perfect operating system for your PC. It's what brings all your hardware together and allows you to start mining. There are tons of options out there, each with its own pros and cons. Some popular choices include CG Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner. Experiment with different software to find one that suits your needs and technical expertise. Once you've chosen your software, you'll need to join a mining pool. Think of it like joining forces with other miners to increase your chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. Section 6. Mining with Mother Nature in Mined Energy Efficiency Tips. Let's face it, crypto mining can be a bit of an energy hog. The process of solving complex algorithms to earn digital currency requires a significant amount of electricity, which can be both costly and harmful to the environment. But it doesn't have to be. With the right strategies, you can make your mining operations much more energy efficient. With a few simple tweaks, you can reduce your environmental impact and save some green while earning that digital gold. Not only will you be helping the planet, but you'll also be cutting down on your electricity bills. First, optimize your rig's cooling system. Efficient cooling is crucial because mining rigs generate a lot of heat. If your equipment overheats, it can lead to hardware failures and increased energy consumption. Proper ventilation and cooling not only improve performance but also prevent overheating and reduce energy consumption. Make sure your mining setup is in a well-ventilated area, and consider using energy-efficient fans to keep the air circulating. Consider using a power supply unit with a high-efficiency rating. Power supply units, or PSUs, with high-efficiency ratings convert more of the electricity from the wall into usable power for your rig, reducing waste. This ensures that your rig uses only the power it needs, minimizing waste. Look for PSUs with an 80+ certification, which indicates high efficiency. Finally, explore alternative energy sources like solar or wind power. These renewable energy sources can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and make your mining operation more sustainable. It's a win-win for you and the planet. By implementing these energy efficiency tips, you can mine more responsibly and contribute to a greener future. Section 7. Secrets of the Pros: Diversification and Market Trends. Want to take your mining game to the next level? Listen up. Professional miners don't put all their eggs in one basket. They diversify their mining portfolio by mining multiple cryptocurrencies. Why? Because the crypto market is volatile. By mining a variety of coins, you spread your risk and increase your chances of consistent profits. Staying informed about market trends is crucial. Keep an eye on coin prices, mining difficulty, and technological advancements to make informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies to mine. Section 8. Tapping into the hive mind, the power of community. Remember those mining pools we talked about earlier? They're not just about joining forces, they're also about tapping into a vast network of knowledge and support. Online forums, social media groups, and dedicated mining communities are invaluable resources for beginners and veterans alike. Connect with other miners, ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from the best. Remember, you don't have to navigate the world of crypto mining alone. The community is here to help you every step of the way. Section 9. Join the crypto conversation. So there you have it. We've covered the basics of building a crypto mining rig, from selecting the right hardware to optimizing for energy efficiency. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of crypto mining is constantly evolving, with new technologies and opportunities emerging all the time. It's up to you to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Hit the like button and subscribe. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from this guide? What questions do you still have about crypto mining? Head over to the comments section below and let's keep the conversation going. Happy mining!